As a mother, there's nothing more heartbreaking than seeing your baby or your baby girl struggle with hair loss and stunted hair growth. Oof. Like my beautiful daughter has been having slow growing hair and it's becoming alarming. I have a very healthy hair, so I don't know why hers is stunted. Despite trying so many products on the market, no improvement, no change, what have you, like it's really heartbreaking. So today I'm going to be showing you a natural hair growth recipe I discovered that is going to change your baby's hair, and it works for adults too. It's not restricted to children. I used my daughter as a case study, so I'll be teaching you this recipe. Hope you are ready. Let's get started. So we'll be introducing our ingredients. We have here coconut oil, olive oil, 3 tea oil. We have some white sesame seed crushed, crushed fenugreek seeds, amla, cinnamon sticks, rosemary, shea butter, ori. You want to get the original one. We have our bowl, and then this will serve as our sieve. It has two compartments. So this will be our sieve. You can also double sieve using this. And of course, we have our bottles. All these ingredients are available at the store. I also have a secret ingredient that I won't be showing here. Now that we've got our ingredients, let's talk about why I chose them. Coconut oil is an amazing moisturizer that nourishes and hydrates the hair. Fenugreek seeds are packed with antioxidants and proteins that help to strengthen hair follicles and promote growth. Amla, on the other hand, which is my favorite, is rich in vitamin C and other nutrients that help stimulate hair growth. Remember, we're trying to grow my baby's hair, right? Okay. Next, let's heat this up. Please, you don't want to overheat as it will lead to degradation of the oils. So do not overheat. After combining our ingredients, we'll give it a gentle shake or stir. Help to infuse the oil with all the goodness from our ingredients. The best part, all of these ingredients are easily available in the store. You don't need to go searching for any of the ingredients. We have them in the store. Now I have to confess, I do have a secret ingredient that I didn't mention earlier, but don't worry, I'll be sharing that with you in a future video. Once our oil has cooled, we can strain it and use it as a hair growth treatment. Simply massage the oil into your baby's scalp or your scalp and leave it for a while. You don't need to rinse off. Please do not rinse off. There's no offensive smell. I also chose the right ingredients to avoid washing off. I'm so excited to share this recipe and I want you to try it out, guys. Great minds, please try this recipe out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you want to see more hair growth recipes and tips, be sure to stay tuned. I've got some amazing content lined up for you, including my secret ingredient, of course. Now, what are you waiting for? Come join the Happy Moms Club.